First of all, thanks for having us here. Hi, my name is Sajal Kaur. I'm the founder and CEO of KapitalWise. We are a technology platform for banks, consumers to plan their financial life. We look at consumers' financial behavior, where they are spending, and recommend financial goals for them, and also help them to achieve that goals through nudges. We also offer a financial marketplace for the banks to add extra revenue to their business line. We also provide a financial wellness scoring tool for the end consumers of the banks to see how they are doing financially in their peer group. With our initial partnership at Barclays, we were able to provide a 6-fold increase in cross-sell conversion from deposit-only clients into wealth management. With that, let me switch over to a quick demo, a video demo. This is the consumer-facing experience that we offer to the banks and consumers. Oops. Can I play it? So as you can see here, this is, KapitalWise can be embedded into the bank's platform. We have a very simple PFM tool, but our focus is mostly on the goal setting side. We analyze this consumer's financial behavior and predict what should be their next financial goal. And for this case, the consumer, we are recommending an emergency saving goal. And we also recommend an amount, which is in this case 6 months cash flow for as an emergency fund. And we also let the consumer create their own goal. And once the consumer creates the goal, we call something like nudges. We look at the consumer's affordability to save towards that goal and send notifications to the consumers through the mobile app, or these notifications can be sent as email or push notifications. And once the consumer say, yeah, I want to save towards that specific goal, that goal gets funded. And once they achieve this specific goal, we activate the next financial goal for the user, which in this case you can see is a micro investing goal. And if the bank doesn't have a wealth platform, we have a robo micro investing platform that we offer to the bank, and we share the revenue with the bank through this. We also have a financial wellness tool. This is a forward-looking algorithm which looks at the consumer's net worth as of today and see what is the probability that the consumer might run out of cash by the time they are ready to retire. We provide some insights on how to improve their financial wellness. These are opportunities for banks to upsell and cross-sell their product. The last feature we offer here on the consumer side is a product recommendation. We try to recommend products within the bank, but let's say if a specific consumer gets rejected for a loan. In that case, what we do is, at this point, the bank doesn't make any revenue out of that transaction. But with KapitalWise, we offer a unsecured lending provider through the platform, and the consumer get pre-qualified for this loan, and actually we share that revenue with the bank through this transaction. With that, let me switch to the dashboard side. So whatever data we collect from the consumer side, we use that as a dashboard for the relationship manager to see what is going on with their consumer's financial life. So with that tool, can you play the video? With the dashboard, the relationship manager can ask questions like, show me all the users who has bought a home in last 12 months in a specific zip code, and create a campaign out of that and send an email to the consumers. And it can be as simple as, show me the set of users who haven't got paid their salary for last 2 months, and maybe the relationship manager can send an email saying that, oh, there is something wrong with the cash flow, do you want any help from our side? So we provide everything as APIs. So if the bank wants to build their own custom user experience on top of our platform, it's also doable. At this point, we are working with few big banks in Asia and in US. These are the partnerships we have at this point. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer at this point. Bye. Thank you.
All right, next up, we've got Daniel from Digital Asset Holdings.